Hey there, Polymer pros. If you're tired of fighting moisture problems and getting lackluster results, you're not alone, and you don't have to keep struggling. Thinking about switching to bio-based? Wondering if it's actually possible to make it work? Well, you've just found the shortcut you've been looking for. Let's be real. Bio-based composites aren't just a buzzword anymore. If you're serious about innovation, they're a must. But let's face it, swapping out synthetics for plant-based stuff isn't as easy as it sounds. You're probably dealing with moisture headaches, poor adhesion, and that annoying drop in toughness. Sound familiar? That's exactly why we put together this online training, Bio-based Composites for High Performance, Solving Formulation and Processing Challenges. It's packed with real, practical solutions. No fluff, no endless theory, just what you actually need. You'll pick up proven tweaks for processing so you can finally fix those brittleness, moisture, and thermal issues that keep slowing you down. If you're sick of wasting hours in the lab on trial and error, we'll give you ready-to-use ratios, material picks, and process settings so you can nail it the first time. And you'll discover drop-in bio-based solutions that work with your current equipment. No crazy upgrades, no production nightmares. Not only this, our expert-led sessions break down the science behind fiber matrix bonding, compatibilizer tricks, and hybrid reinforcement, so you get the inside scoop your competitors wish they had. And don't worry, performance doesn't have to come at the cost of sustainability. We'll show you how to hit your green goals without sacrificing strength, HDT, or toughness. This training's built for you, R&D chemists, engineers, lab managers, and product developers who want to lead the way in automotive, packaging, electronics, and more. So ready to finally bridge the gap between sustainability and high performance? Join us and get a 60-day action plan, hands-on case studies, and cheat sheets you'll actually use every day. Don't let those formulation headaches slow you down. Master bio-based composites and future-proof your career. To register, click on the link in description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now. And hey, do check out our newly launched OnlyTRAININGS Academy for hundreds of expert-led on-demand training courses.